Hello kids, how are you? So students, we are going to start that is animals as a means of transport. Now let's revise. Select the animals that are used for transportation according to you. Here you can see the animals and you have to tick on those which are used as transportation. Now let's begin. Animals are very useful to us. They give us lots of things like milk, meat, eggs, leather, honey, silk and ivory. Animals act as a means of transport too. Since a long time, animals helps us to move from one place to another and carry our loads. Animals can be classified into following categories depending on their use. You can see riding animals, pack animals, draft animals. Now let's see the first, riding animals. These animals are ridden by people on their back. They include horses, donkeys, yaks, mules, elephants and camels. People ride them to go from one place to another. Some wild animals like zebra and ostrich too are tamed and used for riding in some areas. You can see a man riding a horse. Students, have you ever ride on an animal? Good. Now let's see the fascinating fact. In deserts, camels are commonly used as riding animals. Sometimes animals like camels, elephants and horses are used to give joy rides to people. Now, pack animals. These animals are used by people as a mean of transporting material on their backs. Some common pack animals are camel, goats, yak, horses, reindeers, donkeys and mules. Here you can see a mule. Camels are very useful for carrying loads in desert areas. Reindeers are used in areas with heavy snow. Yaks are used mainly in hilly areas. Now let's see the draft animals. Draft animals are used to pull loads behind themselves, such as a cart, a plow, a sledge or a heavy log. They do not carry the cargo directly on their back. Oxen, mules, elephants, donkeys, reindeer and bullocks are commonly used draft animals. You can see an elephant using as means of transport. Now let's see the fascinating fact. Oxen are slow but strong. They are used by farmers to draw water from the wells. Elephants are used to pull heavy logs of wood from one place to another. Donkeys are used to pull carts and small wagons. Reindeers are used to pull sledges in very cold regions. Bullocks are used by farmers to plow their fields. Now again we have a fascinating fact. Let's see what is this. In villages, horses-driven carriages called tongas are still very commonly used. Now next topic is cruelty to animals. Some people tease or harm the animals. Animals are made to carry excess load. They are forced to work for long hours. They are not given proper and adequate amount of food. They are kept in dark, dirty and ill-ventilated shelters. They are even beaten mercilessly. Animals too are living beings. They are our friends. We should be kind to them and take proper care of them. So students, how can we take care of animals? We will read it in the topic taking care of animals. Some ways in which we can take care of animals are as follows. We should give them proper and enough food and water to drink. We should provide them with clean and airy shelters. We should not overburden them with load. We should never hit them. We should give them proper rest. We should take them to a veterinary doctor when they are sick or hurt. Thank you students. I hope you all like this chapter. Bye bye. Take care.